Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video. You might have this situation if you have a pool. These caps that go over each post they're getting old. So if I try to put a screw up through there, it just spins and spins, everything is stripped. So what I'm doing is taking a very small drywall anchor and inserting that in there, and that seems to be working. You do want to be careful. I'm using like a rubber mallet and I'm steadying that stem. See, actually I'm going to take that so it doesn't fall in. And I'm just going to very carefully tap that into place. Now in my case, it won't really go the whole way in there. Just going to cut that off. Okay, and that seems to be holding, well, at least it's better than it was. It used to be when the wind would blow, they'd come off. So that, I'm not gonna pry at that very hard, but it does seem like that's pretty steady. So if this was helpful, I hope that you give me a follow. I'm on TikTok and Instagram as well. So until next time, take care.